Maharashtra Seamless had a disastrous Q1. It explained it away on a one-time abnormal accounting adjustment, and it guided that from Q2 onwards the normal trajectory shall resume. Maharashtra Seamless is a domestic market leader in seamless pipes used in oil and gas sector. Its another segment, ERW pipes and renewable energy, contributes a small portion of its revenue. Its revenue growth carried a 5-year CAGR of around 12%. But exceptional has been its profits, particularly during last 2 years, supported by growing realization per ton. Particularly during last 2 years, strong generations from operations in excess of rupees 1000 crores every year. Due to small amount of investment in fixed assets during the period, the company sits on a strong liquidity parked in current investments. Rising operational surplus, a debt-free balance sheet, and funds in current investments is posing the company a challenge of generating a decent ROI on the capital employed. Its current assets staying far in excess of its current and total liabilities is a reflection of strong financial position of Maharashtra Seamless. On the strength of rising profits over a period of 5 years, the company has been quite successful in making use of its debt and equity to generate a strong return on capital employed. Positive market sentiment on Maharashtra Seamless is also due to the sizable and consistent holding by the promoters on an ongoing basis. Over last 4 quarters, mutual funds and FPIs have constantly added to their holding, and this adds to the market support to the company's shares. Its Q1 performance was an anticlimax. It was a market shocker. EBITDA fell year-on-year basis and caused a major upset in the market. The disastrous fall in the absolute amount of EBITDA was caused by underperformance in the seamless pipes segment. The extent of damage was such that the absolute amount of EBITDA fell down by almost 60% year-on-year. From an overall perspective, the volume of sales remained unchanged, but its composition made a difference, and this caused a massive collapse in the per ton EBITDA for the quarter. 2 major reasons for the fall. While there was deferment of big sized dispatches, same period there was a massive fall in input costs, and the company had to pass adjustments to account for value erosion in the inventory, which jacked up the material cost percentage for the quarter by over 6%. The second reason was the shutdown of one of its mills for regular maintenance that caused expenses to disproportionately go up. Quite surprisingly, ahead of Q1 results announcement, as early as mid-May, the share prices kept slipping and moved below 200 EMA, and the prices continued in the bearish zone up until recently. Of late, there has been a positive move taking the price closer to medium-term averages, awaiting a crossover of 200 EMA in the near future. Positive for the share is the probability of benefiting from a cup and handle pattern visible on the daily chart. It is likely that the share will resume its upward journey once the chart pattern gets past the handle formation. From the Fibonacci retracement level, the company is in the positive territory, having crossed the threshold of 23.6%, which is likely to open up the path for upward move once the immediate resistance is overcome. From the price volume data, it's quite evident that in the short term, the daily price has been moving up and inching towards 100 EMA, and it is equally supported by trading volume, which has been rising with every increase in price. This is quite positive for an upward movement. From an overall perspective, the company's market cap had its peak in FY24, but the Q125 dismal results pushed it down a bit. However, the price earning multiple in comparison to peers appears quite attractive and well placed. A strong order book dominated by major customers like ONGC and Oil India is a big positive. Equally supportive is the continued governmental policies through anti-dumping duty protecting from Chinese imports, but much depends on the results of Q2. Any slippage might be a drag on the falling prices of Maharashtra Seamless. Hope you found this video on Maharashtra Seamless quite useful and interesting. I am Vittal Prabhu with the weekly video on Stock Learning Simplified. We look forward to your likes, shares and comments. If you are new to the channel, may please subscribe and press the bell icon for timely intimation on our forthcoming videos. For your valuable time and kind support, highly obliged. This video is for purposes of information, education and awareness only. This is not meant to be a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell or hold securities. Wherever applicable, please seek the advice of a competent professional before taking action of any kind.